us a little, just before we dive into how these all connect, just a little bit about Playbooks and,
Absolutely.
and how it works.
Playbooks is an independent tool, which is our second product. And the way it functions is it is totally 100% oriented towards operational efficiency. So it is a set of activities which you can create as a template, and depending on a particular situation, it can automatically push those activities to the respective roles. It is a simple enough tool to deploy fast. It is a simple enough tool to manage change very easily. It is a very, very powerful tool when it comes to implementing, structured sort of activities and structured movement in operations. So that's the Playbook, and that's the customer success platform.
Got it. So for those that are in the manufacturing arena and in other arenas too, when we implement lean philosophy, we eventually come to the place where we want to have standardized work.
Right.
Standardized work reduces the variation in a process so that Bob does it the same way that Mary does it, the same way that Juan does it, the same way that Alicia does it, and so
Right.
forth, over time as shifts change and roles change and so forth.
You think I'd say most places that use standardized work have some type of SOP file format or something.
Yeah, they have some
like that,
type of
right?
standard operating procedure.
Right.
It could be written or it could be verbal.
Sure.
If it's written in the old-fashioned way with the binders up on the bookcase, it very quickly goes obsolete and can be almost an impediment.
Right.
As people would learn the wrong way. If it's verbal, it's subject to high variation as people interpret it, or I do it my way and you do it your way. So in an electronic format, in an online format, it can be instantly changed. It's easy to track because once I did my piece, I click. It moves to the next person.
Yep.
They do their piece. They click. I can attach reports. I can. It's amazing, and that's easy to conceive of and simple enough.
Sure.
But nobody, at least nobody I can find. I did my homework.
Right.
Nobody has that in that way. They have similar things. It almost gets there, but nobody has that like Playbooks does. So Playbooks is actually the concept of standardized work, digitized, electronified, right?
Yeah.
So it brings this power of the reduction of variation.